pretty excited at the moment. We're just about to deliver a new Hidromek HMX145LCSR to a major Auckland customer. The machine's been modified for double pump flow for the hydraulics, and this is something that's the customer has requested. The option to double pump flow is available directly from the factory, or the kit can be bought in and we can retrofit the kit here, which is what we've done for this one. We've been able to increase the hydraulic pump flow from the standard 129 litres per minute to well over 200. We actually recorded 240 litres per minute just with no load on the pumps, which is a phenomenal amount. And we actually were able to test this not only on the machine but actually using a flow meter. The customer's going to run one of the larger Digger brand augers on it, which is what they use it for. They do a lot of retaining wall work, and we think it's going to run really well and be a real asset to the customer's fleet. Yeah, once the machine's on site and the customer's got a retaining wall job to do some work, we'll actually go out and be on site and be able to video that and give you some feedback on how well it's done. And yeah, it's going to be very exciting. And just like all the Hidromek HMX145s, this machine's running the Isuzu 4-cylinder direct injection engine, Tier 3. We're running Kawasaki variable displacement pumps and Nabtesco final drives and KYB main control bank. This customer's decided to go with a standard roll-ball hitch and tilt bucket because when they're drilling they want to have as little weight as they can, so they've gone for a standard hitch. And yeah, they'll be able to drill, pretty big holes, pretty deep. So again, we'll show you when we do the video.